just start. That sounded kind of weird. Ah! Alright, I don't know how much fuel this is.
I don't know.
We'll find out. Okay. So far, I like the analog. The analog.
The screen.
Yeah. It gives me nostalgic from the old times, older vehicles. Yeah, you're right. This looks like a 12-inch.
Yeah, now that I'm looking at it, it's definitely.
Yeah, that's.
So that's the home page right now.
Yeah. Sheesh, you can control everything here. What? Yeah, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. From the videos, you don't see like they complain about it, but it don't feel like a lag. Man, it's a big steering wheel. Yes, that's a familiar clutch right there. Reminds me of just my car right there. That feels, man. If you guys are really selling this thing for $30,000, that's not a bad deal for 3,600 miles on it. And this is a base. I mean, but I sat in the GT one and they had the Recaro seats, and those Recaro seats felt so good. They felt so good, and they were electronic too. And the only thing is, you only got it in the CVT. Yeah, it was like $40K, and I was like, I don't want the CVT in it. I just want the seats. I just wanted the seats out. That's all I ever wanted. Yeah. Yes. Yes. LEDs. No. I like it though. Feels good. The seats are really comfortable. Really comfortable. That screen is pretty cool. I like that screen is like top notch. Like I don't care what anybody says. Like you said, like that screen, pretty good.
I mean, it's an iPad.
It's like an iPad. It's like I can do anything I want.
I don't know if they have Apple CarPlay on it or Android Auto. It's something I would have to look up. Being a Subaru.
Oh yeah, does it have wireless?
It definitely has wireless. Oh wait, wireless charger?
Yeah, I don't think it has wireless charger. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah. But what kind of cup holders are these?
Are they the ones you push the button and they pop out?
Are they? I don't know.
Yeah, I think they are.
Oh wait, hold on, show me.
Wait, maybe not.
What? It's a bunch of squares. What do you put? Like, what kind of?
McDonald's extra large.
I don't like. What if you have? What kind of? Nah, there's no way that's the cup holders. Is that really the cup holders?
It's really the cup holder.
What kind of? Okay. All right.
It says use the first one first.
Just use the first one, not the second one.
The second one's fine.
Yeah, that one looked fine. Okay. Wow. So when I put the brake down, okay, that's like my car. All right. I'm gonna see where your catching point. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, okay, we're good. This is like my car. All right. It's just like the BRC. All right. Oh shoot, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, this feels so at home. This feels so at home. Oh my God, I know that guy. He came from Schottenkirk.
Yep.
He surely did. I don't need to see him.
Why is that?
Hide me.
Hide me.
Just hide me. Don't let him find me. Just don't let him find me. Cause I used to work with him for like a month until they
No way.
until they racially profiled me.
Oh my God.
Jesus Christ, that Schottenkirk place. Yep.
Were you a salesman over there?
I was for maybe a month or a half, maybe, whatever, until they sat there and was like, oh yeah, you know, we think you're not a good fit, you know, like whatever. Schottenkirk's ass anyway. It's ass. Hearing nothing but bad things about their salespeople. But I make it right.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
So what do you do now for work?
Right now I have I do a little mechanical work, and I do a little work at a restaurant part-time.
Nice.
I'm just waiting for that time where I can build a shop
Yes, sir.
and actually like do something I enjoy.
You like working on cars?
I do like working on cars, and I want to be able to just help people, you know, work on other people's cars and be in an area where, you know, we do race car stuff and just enjoy being around cars.
Hey, it's like a grown man Legos. Whatever.
That's pretty much what it is. That's all I ever want to do is just deal with cars all day. Just live and breathe it.
Live and breathe.
Just live and breathe it. Do you like working here so far? Like working
I'm
doing
actually
sales?
new here. This is my 4th month here. I've done a lot of insurance. That's what I mainly did. My stepbrother worked here, and he left, so me, I wanted to get out of insurance. Just get something new.
Oh, really?
I worked at State Farm for a while.
Do you like it?
Not at all.
You didn't like State Farm?
Not at all.
Why?
If you have a
Ah, okay. That's why.
It was, I mean, you sat at a desk all day making phone calls, and that's not for me.
Yeah, I understand that. Yeah. Yeah, not everybody can have the patience to sit there and make phone calls all day. But kudos to those people that can sit there and do it though.
Yeah, kudos to them. I mean,
They got it. Make it right here.
I usually go straight, but yeah, pick it right out.
Okay.
This road goes.
Okay, I was gonna go straight. I didn't know. My fault. I'll turn around. I'll do it. I'll follow your route, sir. I don't want to get lost.
I was just going to ride.
Oh man, I don't want to. I don't know where I'm gonna go.
I don't know where to go either.
I'm
following your lead.
I'm gonna make a left here. Hopefully that leads me down there.
The stop sign, if you make a left, it's going to take you to a dead end.
It's gonna lead me at a dead end. Okay. Okay. So how am I gonna do this now?
Not a dead end once we run through it.
Okay. I mean, we are in the off-roading vehicle here, sir. Man, this feels good. This feels really comfortable.
At least on this route, going this way, you get a feel for the transmission. Or not the transmission, the gears.
Yeah. Let's see. Do I just go right? Let's go right, okay. Okay. Man, that feels so good. I don't know why. It just makes me feel like I'm driving like something comfortable, but like something like rough at the same time. Like I feel like I'm driving a truck. Like a mini truck. Don't know how to explain it, but it makes me feel powerful.
You said a meat truck?
Like a mini truck.
Oh.
It's like a Ford Ranger. Makes me feel powerful in here. Makes me feel like I can do some things. Do some real things, some damage.
You mod these cars out pretty well, or?
Yeah, you could definitely do some things to it. I think on these, like stock, I think with just a tune, you can make well over 300 horsepower on this car.
Oh yeah, I think once you get
Yeah.
20,
Yeah, like
tires.
exactly. Like this thing is like I can't wait for what they actually do to this, because so far if they're getting over like mid 300s out of this on stock turbo, stock block, stock everything, and I don't even know what they make on a tune with full bolt-ons with an intake and headers and exhaust. I don't know how much they're making on these cars.
They absolutely look fine.
Yeah, if you do it, like they make it look good. Like any car, you can make it look good if you do it right. So I didn't really like have any issues with this car at all, but when I found out, I was like, you know, let me just wait it out a little bit. Then Lobo, you start seeing people do some crazy stuff. I'm like, okay, cool, awesome. Now I fell in love with it. And then I was like, let me try to test drive it. And then I'm like, some people don't want to let you test drive it.
Can you go right here? Or?
Make it right?
If we can. If not, I'm going to go, because if not, I don't know what route we're going.
Okay, I'm going to just turn around and go back to the same way. Let's go turn around. I don't want to confuse you.
You're good. I didn't want to run out of gas, really.
Oh, yeah, that's a scary part. That's a real
I
scary
was
part.
like, hey guys, I don't know where I'm at.
Yeah.
We're on 92, but...
We're on 92, but we don't know.
So what's really going to be like the deciding factors between the Honda and...
Well, obviously the Honda's out of the question because they're charging about 60K for it.
Oh, wow.
But I understand because there's not a lot of them out there. There's not a lot of them out there. But this one in the Hyundai Elantra N is probably where I'm gonna be like really like sitting down like, okay, which one am I? Yeah, so you probably just finished watching that 2022 WRX video, which was pretty cool. It was a very short video. Now I'm editing it, and now you guys are seeing it. Hey, sir, do you need to go inside? Do you need to go inside? Don't be interrupting my video, sir. All right, but yeah, that new WRX. I did like a little short torque test drive on it. It was very short, very short. I didn't even get the part where I did a couple pulls in it because the camera died, and I was hesitating on whether I should upload or not. And 3 months later, I decided to do it. So yeah, so you guys just saw it. It was, you know, it drove great. You know, it drove actually better than I expected it to drive. So all the reviews everybody said about it driving great, but the looks, it needed some work. But obviously nowadays, since I'm making this like 3-4 months in the future, they making them look great, bro. Like, it's really making me consider, like, bro, like, I want to go get one now. Back then I didn't want to go get one, but now that everybody are doing stuff to it and making them look good, and they're making fucking phenomenal power, bro. Like, it's crazy. No, I would have never expected that. No one expected that, but that's, I guess, what the car community is. That's what it is. I mean, despite the looks, it performs great. It does great when modifying it. Like all cars, you can make any car great. Just put the work and time and the mucho dinero in it. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Camera died, but hopefully you get some kind of like opinions I did at that time when I was driving it on it. I didn't do a whole walk around like I usually wanted to do. It was just like on the spur of the moment, so it offered me to let me drive it. So yeah, leave your comments and opinions about it in the little section right there. Like, subscribe if you want to see more. Next video will be for my Genesis with the stuff I got with it when I bought it, and I'll just go do a little review of it. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.